Yo, everybody, Lee from Wisteria Ones here. Just want to make this video just to show you a product that we've just finished making. Just on my coffee break. We've started making a lot of walking sticks, and we don't want to just do the standard like hazel walking sticks, which are great, which I make. And every now and again you come across, nature gives you a bit of a prize. I come across this some time ago now, so it's been well seasoned and that. And I love working with holly, and that's the wood, not the gum. And what we've got here is a natural holly, a walking stick. As you can see, got the rubber foil on the bottom. Bit of a dog leg here. It actually looks like bone, so we're actually classing it as our holly leg bone walking stick. It's got some great markings on, so you can pick up on that. I've started using holly a lot. It's a nice strong wood. Obviously that was a natural, and then we've just shaped it so it fits in your hand nice. It's been oiled and varnished. I think it's quite classical, a bit steampunkish, I think. You see, 33 inches in length, nice and comfortable. So there you have it, a one-off, very rare shaped holly walking stick. Hope you enjoyed the simple video. If you like and subscribe, and we'll start showing you more stuff that we make. Tends to sell quite quick, some of ours, so we tend not to make videos on everything, but yeah, I'm pleased with this one, and I'm sure whoever ends up owning it will be pleased as well. So have a good day.